Okay, we're going to look at U-substitution using a definite integral, and here we have a problem. We have the definite integral from 0 to 2 of this quantity, x times quantity, the square root of x squared minus 4 dx. And so to do this, we're going to make first a U-substitution. We're going to take this x squared minus 4, and we'll say let U equals x squared minus 4, and we're going to implicitly differentiate both sides of this equation. So we're going to have du is equal to 2x dx. This negative 4 goes away, and solving for dx, we divide both sides of this equation by 2x. So dx is going to be equal to du over 2x. And I hope you can see when we replace dx with du over 2x, we're going to be able to cancel out this x and subsequently continue our integration. So let's go ahead and make this substitution. We're going to go from the integral of this square root of quantity x squared minus 4 becomes u to the 1/2 power. Right? This is 1/2 power square root, and we have x here. We bring from here, and we have du over 2x. Now I've deliberately not put the definite integrals from 0 to 2. I've changed the limits. I haven't changed the limits yet, but we're going to have cancellation here. We're going to get equal to 1/2. That's 1/2 u to the 1/2 power du. Now what's happened is we're going to now reevaluate the limits. Okay, we say let u equal x squared minus 4. So if we plug in, so we have u equals x squared minus 4, and we're going to plug in 0 for x, right? So u equals 0 squared minus 4, so u equals negative 4. So now we've changed our limits here to negative 4, and next we're going to go ahead and take the upper limit of 2, so we're going to have u equals 2 squared minus 4, which is going to be 4 minus 4, so u equals 0. So we're going to go ahead and make this 0. Now if we wanted to, we could have changed this u back after integrating, but we're going to have to go ahead and integrate now. Alright, we see we've changed the limits. So now we're going to go u, adding 1 to the 1/2, u to the 3/2, divided by 3/2, and we have the 1/2 out front. And we're going to have plus, and we're going to evaluate those limits here between negative 4 and 0. And now to leave a little room here on the right, I'm going to do some erasing. Okay, so we can make this out here. So we're going to bring this up here to continue. So we have 1/2, and dividing by 3/2 is the same as multiplying by 2/3. U to the 3/2 evaluated from negative 4 to 0. And we cancel these out, so our answer is going to be 1/3 u to the 3/2 power, negative 4, from negative 4 to 0. So this will be how we change our evaluation, but we had to change our limits here. Now if we wanted to, we could have kept our original limits and replaced this u back here with quantity x squared minus 4. But this would be, there are different ways you could go with this. But the main thing that we're trying to point out that we haven't probably done so much in class so far is the evaluation of these limits using changing limits based on our U-substitution because of the different values between x and u. So anyway, try to work out some problems on that, and there will be probably a couple problems somewhat related to that on our test next week. So thanks for viewing.